Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para mo another reading. And this is for the sign of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Capi at ang mga bago po nating viewers. Tingnan po natin kung ano yung message or energy na mapipick up natin para sa'yo, Capi. Heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. Okay, so kailangan talaga ng matinding pag-uusap. New love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Okay. And honeymoon. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. Okay. Separation. So ito yung sinasabi na kailangan nyo magkaroon talaga ng isang matinding pag-uusap. At para mas kung meron kayong mga bagay na hindi na iintindihan o nagkaroon kayo ng certain issues about other things, ito na yung pagkakataon na kailangan yung pag-usapan mabuti para ma-clear out nyo yung air o ma-clear out nyo yung energy na merong confusion, okay? Para kung mas maganda yung flow ng relationship. Para naman doon sa mga tao na nag-expect ng panibagong relationship, there's a promising new love coming in na talagang kung magpapatibok muli ng inyong puso. Okay, so this is something that worth looking forward to. And of course, dun sa mga kakapakasal pa lang, no? Honeymoon, yung honeymoon stage na tinatawag natin, enjoy nyo yung pagkakataon na to na both of you are, in a beautiful place na talagang kayong dalawa lamang, and ito na yung continuation of getting to know more about each other, no? At ito kasi yung parang the best time na pagsasabi nila sa marriage is yung honeymoon stage kasi talagang ang sweet nyo talaga sa isa't isa pa. Ito yung time na gusto yung palagi kayo magkasama. No, you are really parang enjoying each other's company. Okay? So, tignan natin sa tarot kung ano yung message na gustong sabihin sa'yo, Capricorn. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the King of Wands, the Tower, and the Queen of Wands. Bottom is the High Priestess. Okay. Okay, Capricorn. Medyo marami kang parang may third party dito. High Priestess. This is an energy coming from a Pisces. Ito yung energy na sinasabi sa'yo na sa mga ganitong sitwasyon, kung ano man itong sitwasyon na pinapasukan mo ngayon o meron ka, gamitin mo tong iyong intuition para makatulong ito sa iyo sa paggagawa ng tamang desisyon para sa hinaharap mo, no? Yung nagiging issue mo o problema mo. Kasi ito yung mag-guide sa iyo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Now, with the Three of Pentacles kasi gusto mo talaga na magkaroon ng magandang kooperasyon, between you and your person para maging maayos nga ang takbo ng relationship. And with the Two Pentacles kasi, syempre, ayaw mo na kasi yung point na para kang naninimbang na hindi mo mawari kung sino yung mas bibigyan mo ng halaga o atensyon. So, ito yung iniiwasan mo na o ayaw mo na kasi magawa o mangyari. Kaya pinasabi sa'yo dito na para mabalanse mo maigi itong pentacles na to is gamitin mo yung intuition. So you could be able to have this cooperation that you wanted, no? Para magkaroon ng mas magandang harmony yung relationship. Now, sa ngayon, with the Nine of Pentacles, ikaw ay masaya, no? You are happy, you're independent, you're doing well, you have money. Kung ba parang okay ka on your own. Dito kasi sa Nine of Pentacles is parang sinasabi mo rito na okay ka lang kahit you don't have anybody in your life right now. Kasi lahat naman ng pangangailangan mo ay napupunuan mo, no? You have the money, you have a good career, you can buy anything you want, you're happy, you can do whatever you want, no? You have the freedom, wala kang pinangingiligan o kailangan pang bigyan ng o hinga ng pahintulot. So, you're doing fine, okay? Now, there are two kings dito. Isang King of Swords at saka isang King of Wands. The King of Swords is an air sign, energy coming from an Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. O meron sila nito sa kanilang chart. And this king, itong energy na to is all about telling the truth, about conversation, all about the mind, the logic. And the other king is the King of Wands, which is a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Now, ito namang isang energy na to is more of yung action. Action-oriented to. No? Kilos agad. Gawin na natin ngayon. Huwag na tayo mag-intay pa. Let's go, let's move, let's do it. Let's enjoy. Be adventurous. Express ourselves. Be creative. Okay, so ito yung dalawang energy dito na nakikita ko. Now, you might be dealing with these two people. That's one scenario. And it could also mean na pinagpipilian mo to. Okay? Kung if you're single, baka may dalawang pumoporma sa'yo na ganito yung energy nila. Kasi there is this tower, no? Something that is unexpected o yung talagang something that is yung something na masyashock ka, magugulat ka o mabibigla ka na lang na nangyari na hindi mo inaasahan na mangyayari, okay? Now with the Queen of Wands, definitely if this is your energy, Capricorn, you are looking for your partner, okay? Yung kamatch mo, which is the King of Wands, no? Andito yung dalawa. So, if you would look at this, sila yung mag-pair, sila yung mag-partner, sila yung parehong energy na binibigay. And I think you are looking for that person, yung talagang magmamatch sa'yo. In terms of yung creativity mo, yung passion mo, yung galaw mo, yung pag-iisip mo, nararamdaman mo, okay? Do kasi itong King of Swords na to is more of yung pag-iisip nga hindi siya masyadong maramdamin. You, on the other hand, you give, no, you think, you use your logic, you use your head, or use your mind most of the time, pero andun pa rin yung feelings, okay? So, I think you're looking for that person that would truly match you. And I guess itong pagdating sa ating heart-to-heart conversation, if you are dealing with these two energies, this is what is being suggested na kausapin mo sila mabuti. Kasi if you are not happy or hindi ka sa tingin mo it won't work yung relationship, then it is only fair that you tell them honestly that you're not interested. Kesa wala kang communication at all. Or you may tell them that you found a new love, no? May bagong love ka na nahanap. O may dumating na new love na hindi mo na-expect. Kasi the new love might be something to do with the tower. Hindi mo na-expect na magkakaroon ka ng new love. And of course, the honeymoon part is something na you would truly enjoy kasi nga if you are looking for your mate, which is the one's energy, yung fire energy natin dito, then it means that you will be very happy kasi pareho kayo no? Pareho yung binibigay nyo sa isa't isa. So this is something that is reciprocated, no? Pantay. Kung ano binibigay ng isa, binibigay mo rin. Which is wonderful. Kaya nga, importante that you use your intuition pagdating dito. No? How to handle this situation. So, tignan natin. I guess what I would clarify is, ba't andito yung tower? We have the Four of Cups, the Seven of Wands, and Justice. Bottom niya is the Sun. Oh. Okay, so itong something that unexpected would give you some happiness, no? This is a Leo energy. Hindi mo talaga na-expect na liligaya ka dito sa parating na to. Hindi naman mo kasi lahat ng tower ay masama, no? Ang tower dumadating siya because it needs to happen para merong tayong ma-realize o parang it's an eye-opener. Now, itong hindi mo na-expect na to is somebody would offer you love, no? May mag-offer nga ng love sa'yo. Na dati, kung if you're very defensive about this, now you will be thinking with the Justice card na makikipag-relationship ba ako dito? Kasi itong offer of love na binibigay sa'yo, this new love na dadating, syempre, una, hindi mo kung parang hindi ka sure. Kaya very defensive ka because you wanted to protect your feelings, your heart, no? Na hindi ka masaktan. But with the Justice card, this is an energy coming from a Libra. Kasi baka, one interpretation is baka married ka na, kasi with the Justice, or you wanted to check kung okay na makipag-relationship dito sa new love na to kasi, sabi ko nga, you've been very protective of your heart, kaya you wanted to check first kung okay na makipag-relationship na, you're really trying to study or sabihin natin, go within para makita mo o makuha mo yung tamang sagot sa mga tanong mo pagdating dito sa tao na to. But I want to remind you again that this person will make you very happy. Kaya kung parang kung ano man yung doubt na naiisip mo, then you really go within. That's the advice. Go within and check really kung if this person, itong new love na dadating is really the one for you. Ano ba nararamdaman mo? Ito bang new love for Virgo? Is the right person para sa kanya? Tama ba yung the right person for? Yes. From the Queen of Cups, mahal ka nito. This person will truly love you. Okay, with the Queen of Cups. It's an energy coming from a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. So, tama siya para sa'yo. Magtatagal ba yung relationship na to? Yes. Magtatagal siya. Okay? Kasi you will both be enjoying each other company, you'll be dating most of the time. Talagang chill lang kayong dalawa. Mangyayari na ba to this year? Yes. Again, the Sun. This is a Leo card. Oh, this year mangyayari. I want to show you na dalawa na yung sun. Okay, sun and the sun. Okay? So, confirm siya talagang dalawa. Na, oo. Okay, we have reaching out. Expect a call or a text from your person of interest. Tawagan ka daw niya o ita-text ka niya. So, yun. No? Once the person comes in, yun alam mo yung love mo. More message. Falling in love. Sudden feelings that this is the one. Yes. Alam mo ito na. This is the one. Itong new love na dadating is the one. Okay, Capricorn. I hope nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli. Ingat ka and God bless.